Hello my YouTube friends. Today I'm inviting you to look at my second kitchen island arrangement. I called it arrangement in red. I like multi-tier arrangements because they are very sophisticated, elegant and graceful. To create my second tier, I used a long stem candle holder, pour some water and inserted evergreens and artificial peaks and flowers, and it's all fresh and beautiful. For my bottom layer I used a red glass Italian tray and I placed a few items. 4 of them I created myself. First, this bowl in red and green, the same technique that I used for the other 3 bowls that I already showed you. These 2 trees in red and gold colors, and a small bunch of grapes made with Czech crystal beads. I also believe that a white color make any arrangement more elegant and classy looking. That's why I am using a white color here to soften my bold red color and balance my color palette. These 2 beautiful deers, really sparkling and so graceful. A little birdie, a white one, in this sparkling little cage. I also have 2 other birds on that candle holder. I have 2 matching. One that holds a bunch of grapes, and these 2 birds are also sitting on that candle holder. And these artificial roses provide a finishing touch. And as I always, add some greenery to the bottom layer for freshness, texture, and a wonderful holiday smell. And of course, I adorn the whole decoration with string of lights, so it's all sparkling and wonderful. I hope you like my decoration in red and enjoyed watching this video. May the new year see you healthy, loving, giving and living. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.